The CMF Phone one stands out with its bold design. The exposed screws, minimalist style, and industrial look make it unique. This design inspired me to create something that complemented the phone. A custom back panel and a charging dock that shared the same cohesive aesthetic. I started with sketches to explore ideas. These rough sketches helped me figure out the direction of the design balancing functionality with aesthetics. The Nothing Community Design platform was a great help. I found the original back panel design here and used it as a starting point. Using SolidWorks, I designed a custom back panel for the phone. After completing it, I shifted my focus to the dock. I started with a simple cross-section to define the shape and then turned it into a 3D model. Since this would be 3D printed, I had more design freedom compared to the design for injection molding. The fillets and chambers instantly made the design look smoother and more refined. I added features like a front cutout for the phone, a placeholder for a secondary display, and mounting points for the internal components. Divider ribs helped organize the PCBs and other components. Finally, I added personal touches like branding, a speaker grill for potential audio features, and a topography pattern for aesthetics. This was the finishing touch to make the dock both functional and stylish. To finalize the design, I made quick renders to choose colors and ensure the shape looked good. I laser cut a cross section of the dock in acrylic to test the dimensions, and it worked perfectly. Next, I uploaded the design to JLC 3DP for 3D printing and selected materials and finishes. My friend also helped me design a custom PCB, which I ordered along with the prints. Thanks to JLC 3DP's sponsorship, I could bring this project to life with high quality prints and PCBs. After 10 days, the parts arrived. The 3D prints had a clean finish and the PCBs matched my specifications. Everything looked great and I was excited to move forward. Initially, I had planned to integrate a custom wireless charging receiver inside the phone case. However, during assembly, I realized the PCB didn't fit due to overlooked size constraints. This forced me to abandon the phone case idea and focus entirely on the dock. Despite this setback, I carried forward the cohesive design language to the dock. I faced other challenges, like selecting a reliable charging coil. Some compact PCBs for the coils failed during testing, so I switched to the backup coils to ensure consistent charging performance. I added brass nuts for mounting, attached a MagSafe magnet ring for alignment, and soldered USB-C connectors to connect the charging coil to the dock's PCB. After testing the electronics, I added a placeholder secondary display for future upgrades and rubber feet for stability. For the dock, everything came together as planned. Here's the dock in action. I hope you enjoyed the journey. Thanks for watching.